Good morning, I am Shashi Kurun and welcome to Online Learning Programming in C++. Today, the topic I am going to cover is related to conversion from octal to hexadecimal number system. While converting from octal to hexadecimal number system, the first step is that it should be converted into its equivalent binary number form, and from binary number form it is converted into its equivalent hexadecimal number form with the help of grouping of 4 bits from right to left. So let's take an example and see the example.
In this example, we will discuss how to convert the octal number system into its equivalent hexadecimal number system. So, to convert octal into hexadecimal number system, the first step is it will be converted into binary form. After that, it will be converted into hexadecimal number form. Suppose this is a octal number 72 and it is to be converted into hexadecimal number system. Now, according to the first step, it should be converted into binary form. The binary representation of 7 is 111 and the binary representation of 2 is 010. So, this is a binary equivalent number system. Now, this binary number system will be converted into its hexadecimal number system. As we know that from binary to hexadecimal number system, the grouping of 4 bits is done from right to left. So 1010, which is 10, and it is represented in hexa A. Now only 2 bits is left. You can make it into 4 bits, that is 0011, and this is 3. So the final value is 3A 16. Let's take another example. Suppose the value is 77. This is in octal form and it is to be converted into hexadecimal number system. The first step is to convert this octal into binary. So this will be represented as 111 and this will be represented as 111 in 3 bits. Now this is to be converted into hexadecimal number system. So we have to group 4 bits from right to left. 111 111. These 4 bits, and here you can see it is only 2 bits, so you can add 0011. So this is equal to 3 and this is 15, so this is equal to F. So the final value is 3F16. So this is equivalent hexadecimal number system. That's all about converting from octal to hexadecimal number system.
So now you have learned how to convert the octal number system into its equivalent hexadecimal number system. While converting from octal to hexadecimal number system, always remember that it should be first converted into its equivalent binary number system, and from binary number system it is converted into hexadecimal number system. The other way is to convert the octal number system into its equivalent decimal number system, and from decimal number system it can be converted into its equivalent hexadecimal number system. You can watch my previous video lecture in which I have discussed how to convert the decimal number system into its equivalent hexadecimal number system. So that's all about converting the octal number system into its equivalent hexadecimal number system. Thank you.